Hello and welcome to this video as we explore the new sidebar features in Google Slides. I am Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. Many educators and students are regular users of Google Slides for projects, presentations, content sharing, and assignment delivery. Periodically, Google updates Slides with new features both for Education Workspace users and Business Workspace users. In this video, we will look at the new sidebar menu of options available to users of Google Slides. To find the new sidebar menu, simply open a Google slideshow, either a brand new file or one that you have previously created. Once you do, the sidebar menu will already be open on the right-hand side of the screen. The sidebar menu has a total of 4 features available to access. They are templates, building blocks, stock and web, and finally drive and photos. The first feature is templates. This is where you can choose the look and design of your slideshow. Google has provided a number of new backgrounds and slide designs for you to choose from. You can select these slide designs by simply from the sidebar menu of options. Once selected, they will be added to your slide deck. The next feature you can select from the sidebar menu is building blocks. This feature allows you to insert into specific slides editable images and graphics. Google has already divided them into a number of categories. To get them into individual slides, simply click on the icon and it will automatically be placed in the slide you currently are on. From there you can edit, move, and resize the content you added as a block. The next feature is stock and web. This allows users to easily search and add to slides images, GIFs, and stickers to their slides of their slideshow. From the drop-down menu, select the image type you would like to find and then use the search bar to narrow your search. Then simply click on the thumbnail of the image to add to your current slide. From there you can resize the image to your liking. The last feature you can access is a shortcut to your Google Drive and Photos. This allows you to search for images in either your Drive or Google Photos locations. Once selected, you can then insert and resize them into your selected slide in Google Slides. By using the sidebar menu, you can easily and quickly add and find both new and additional features to your Google Slideshow presentations. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.